Want to save time and money while keeping creative control using high-quality materials? Welcome to Basics of Framing Your Watercolor Artwork using American Frame products. It's simple, and you can do it. Let's get started. First, measure your artwork. Accurate measurements are essential for a perfect fit, showing what you want and excluding what you don't. Next, visit AmericanFrame.com. Use the website's preview tool to see how your artwork will look in different frames and mats. This virtual mock-up helps you visualize what's possible, because it's your art. American Frame offers a variety of matte colors to choose from. For demonstration purposes and ease of design, we're using our default white. Now, let's mount your piece. It's straightforward and we'll guide you through it. Using American Frame's mounting board, secure your watercolor in place. Ensure it's centered and smooth. Using linen tape, peel half the length off on one side and fold. Place it on top of your piece by the corners, and we suggest using a burnishing tool to smooth and effectively set the adhesive. With both sides done, flip it over and center the image you want to see through the mat. Take your time here, and be sure to measure and center the image, not the paper edge. This step should take the most time. It can be helpful to weigh down your art while making these small adjustments. Check to see that your mat lines up, and once you are completely satisfied, remove the backing from the linen tape and place another piece of tape over it, forming a T shape. There's that burnishing tool again. Did I say we recommended it? Yeah, it's pretty great, and you can get one on our site. Anyway, put your mat back on, this time fully committing. Peel and stack acrylic on top of the mat. This is now your art stack. Look at you sounding professional. Before placing your art stack in the frame, ensure a clear view of your artwork, and then set it aside. Place the frame face down, channel side up. Place two angled plates, one with screws and one without, together in the hardware track at each end. Screw heads should face outwards. Gently tighten these, but not too tight. We'll want to adjust a little bit. Attach the sides by sliding the back channel into the angled plates and align the mitered ends. You should now have a U shape. Let's flip it over and slide in your art stack. Insert corner plates into the remaining frame section and attach them to the sides. Readjust the corners to perfection and tighten firmly. Take the spring clips provided and evenly space them around the back channel of the frame. Flex and insert between the frame edge and the backing board. Position one hanger into each side of the frame as shown, and ensure they are in line with each other. Tighten the screws, loop the wire between the hangers, and twist at the ends to secure. Adhere the wall protectors to the bottom corners, and we're ready to hang. For more tips and guidance, visit AmericanFrame.com or contact our friendly customer service team. We're always here for you, here for the art.